Hello, Algebra 1 students, and welcome back to your Semester 2 final review. We're on to problem 39, which pulls mostly from 9.5, but really most of topic 9 is going to help you out here because what we're doing is comparing two different functions, two different parabolas in particular. We have the parabola f of x down here, which is beautifully drawn and given to us, and then we have the parabola g of x, which is over here, which is given to us in a quadratic equation. What they want to do here is determine, if you look at the question down below, which of the following statements about the y-intercepts is true. Now there's only going to be one answer here because it starts with A, B, C, D. And we probably just want to go through and find the y-intercepts for each function. I mean, that makes sense if they're asking questions about it. Our y-intercept for f of x we can visually see. That is the point 0, 4. To find the y-intercept for g of x, we know by now we just replace our x's with 0. And you might even realize that when we do that, we get 0, 0 just leaves us with positive 6. So this guy is 0, 6. Alright, so let's see what's true. F of x does not have a y-intercept. No, I'm pretty sure f of x has a y-intercept at 0, 4. Notice, though, that f of x doesn't have an x-intercept. Right? It never crosses the x-axis, but they're asking about the y. B, the y-intercept of f of x is below the y-intercept of g of x. Well, let's put them on the same function. We have 0, 4, and we know g of x is 0, 6. And they're saying the y-intercept of f of x, this guy, is below the y-intercept of g of x. Yeah, I think that's actually true. Let's check the other two, though, just to make sure we didn't make a mistake. The y-intercept of f of x, right here, is above g of x. No, I don't think so. F of x seems to be below. And D, f and g have the same y-intercept. Well, clearly not. One is 4, one is 6. So whenever they ask you about these comparison questions, make sure you find the required information about both functions. If they'd asked us about the x-intercepts, you would have had to do a little bit more work, maybe factoring, maybe the quadratic formula. And if they ask you about the vertex, same idea. We might want to do negative b over 2a for the equation. That's all there really is to it, though. We found the y-intercepts and compared them. So keep on being successful studying for that final exam. I'm excited to see your success.